Ono bamuyita Omala simanya Omala Lameka. Nakoze video ngambuuza nti amagye ge Uganda gakola kye Sudani. Galiyo for the interest of General Museveni and his son, not in the interest of Ugandans and Sudanese. They are just there protecting their interests, but not being pan-Africanists. Navayo nangamba, she's talking, Angambye, what she's talking is not politics. That is insulting violence, abusing an officer who is suffering and sacrificed his life for this nation. Mbubyenjogera sogera politics wabula ndi mu insulting violence no kuvuma officer General Kaguta Museveni who is suffering and sacrificed ali mu kubona era yeewaayo kulw'eggwanga Uganda. Wow, Omala Lameka, wow. General Kaguta Museveni has suffered and sacrificed for this nation. General Kaguta Museveni abonye nnyo era yesaddaase nnyo kulw'eggwanga Uganda. For what? Yesaddaase muki era abonye muki? Era njagala ompe how successful is Uganda? Ekiraga nti Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yesaddaase era abonye nnyo olwa Uganda. Just give me like 3 things. Eziraga nti Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yesaddaase era yeewaddeyo nnyo abonye nnyo olw'eggwanga Uganda. Just tell me one successful thing did Yoweri Kaguta Museveni do in 40 years. Just one thing. Apart from corruption, stealing taxpayers' money, apart from killing people, apart from doing each and everything in Uganda, grabbing lands, people are crying, people are on streets moving without homes, homeless people. People are dying of hunger. People are crying everywhere. Health sector, roteni. Education sector, roteni. And you are saying he has sacrificed and is suffering for what? When did Yoweri Kaguta Museveni suffered and sacrificed for Uganda? He told us that he's not working for anybody. He's working for his family and his grandchildren. So Ugandans, we are not among of his grandchildren and his family members. And I want to ask you, I'm just insulting violence, I'm not talking about politics. Is killing your opponents, is abducting, killing NUP supporters, jailing your opponents, is that playing politics? Is that politics? For me, I'm just speaking. But you are telling me that I'm insulting violence and abusing, which is okay. But killing, abducting, torturing, jailing, beating your opponents in politics, is that playing politics? Just tell me. Omanyi muddeyo ne munywa amalwa ne mulowooza nti mwe bwe mulowooza bwe mulina okulowoozesa abalala. So you are commenting this to make me feel that what I'm talking is nonsense. Ogezaako okumbulira ebigambo bino okundaga nti nze byenjogera bya kisiru, just to play on my mind. Okunzikiriza nti nze byendi mu kwogera is just being abusive. Ndi mu kuvuma, I'm insulting violence. So let me ask you, what interest do we have in Sudan? What interest did Uganda have in Sudan so that our UPDF die there? Interest ye tulina mu Sudan eretera banna Uganda abamagye ba Uganda okufiira Sudani. Era interest ye tulina mu Sudan egendesa mu parliament okujjayo 300 billion to facilitate that war in Sudan. What interest do we have? Tugenda kufuna muki magoba akige tuyine Sudan so that ntife banna Uganda tuyina okwata omusimbi omuyitirivu ogutwale Sudan era n'abasirikale bafe baganda bafe bali maje bafire Sudan. Government ya Salva Kiir tujifuna muki fe nga banna Uganda okubeera okwayo mbuyinza yeffe tuyina okumonitoringa government ya Salva Kiir. Teriyo ba Sudan basobola kwasaganya nsonga zaabwe. Nga sirabangayo maje ga Kenya nga gazze mu Uganda okukwasaganya ensonga za government ya Uganda. Nga sirabangayo maje gavudde mu Tanzania, gavudde mu Congo, gavudde mu Burundi, gavudde mu Sudan, gavuddewa kujja kwasaganya nsonga za gavumenti ya Uganda. Lwaki gavumenti ya Uganda egenda neyingira mu nsonga za mawanga amalala, egenda neyingira mu nsonga za gavumenti za mawanga amalala? Tufe bani? Who is Museveni and his son to interfere in each and everything around East Africa? Who are they? Killing people like cockroaches. And you are just here talking, he's sacrificing. Sacrificing for what? What did he sacrifice? Whatever it is. He's just sacrificing and suffering. Suffering for what? Talia, 2 billion per day. What can that be suffering? A suffering for what? A suffering for what? He has each and everything. He has money. He controls everything. He controls all mineral resources in Uganda. He controls the Bank of Uganda. He controls money, each and everything, land, whatever which is in Uganda. He controls it. It is in his pocket. What suffering are you talking about? So, you mean Museveni and his family, they are suffering and sacrifice so much to Ugandans, and Ugandans are okay. Ugandans are suffering because of Museveni and his family, not Museveni suffering. Are suffering for what? A person who uses 3 billion per day, and you call that suffering? Sacrifice? You people, you are joking. You are joking, really. Really. Museveni has suffered a lot and he has sacrificed a lot. What did he sacrifice? What? People of Luwero who died, they are Ugandans. Our grandfathers died there. Museveni has never lost any son, anything, even a cockroach of him in that war in Luwero. And you are here telling me that he sacrificed. He sacrificed what? He have sold each and everything. Yatunda esimanya company chi ebintu byonna bina bifuuse abyeziza bifuuse private, ebintu bya government byonna byezza bifuuse private, bifuuse bibye, and you are here telling me he sacrificed, he suffered about what? About what? Museveni abonye kuchi? Each and everything bibye. He's controlling everything in Uganda. Everything is in his pocket. He's the one who have money. Ya ine simbi ze gwanga zona ziri uwe. And you are here telling me boga simbu he sacrificed. Sacrificed what? Ugandans are suffering. Ugandans have sacrificed a lot on his government. But na Uganda tewali kye bafunyemu. Oba okitegeera.